What is the common cause of noise in a car steering gear system? The steering gear system translates steering wheel movements into the directional control of the vehicle. It ensures smooth handling by transmitting motion from the wheel to the front tires. Unusual noises indicate underlying mechanical issues that, if ignored, can compromise performance and safety. Low power steering fluid levels. Insufficient power steering fluid creates air pockets, causing whining or squealing noises when turning. The fluid is crucial for smooth hydraulic movement and proper lubrication. Low fluid levels strain the power steering pump, risking severe damage. Worn out or loose steering components. Tie rods, ball joints, and bushings wear down over time, causing clunking or knocking sounds. Routine inspections help detect worn parts early, ensuring stable and responsive steering. Faulty power steering pump. A failing power steering pump produces groaning or moaning sounds. These sounds are more pronounced at low speeds or when the wheel is fully turned. Pump failure disrupts fluid flow, affecting the entire steering system. Timely diagnosis and pump replacement maintain smooth steering operation. Air trapped in the steering system. Trapped air causes hissing or bubbling noises as fluid circulates unevenly. Air pockets disrupt hydraulic flow, reducing steering response. Properly bleeding the system eliminates trapped air. This restores smooth fluid movement and optimal steering performance. Damaged steering rack or gearbox. A worn steering rack or gearbox produces grinding or creaking sounds. These sounds signal internal damage or lubrication failure. The steering rack is vital for accurate wheel alignment and smooth handling. Loose or misaligned drive belt. A loose or misaligned serpentine belt can slip, causing a screeching noise. This noise can be mistaken for steering-related issues. Though not directly part of the steering gear, the belt affects the power steering system's efficiency. Regular belt inspections prevent unexpected breakdowns. Steering gear noises serve as early warnings of mechanical problems. Addressing these sounds promptly helps maintain safe, responsive driving. Regular maintenance and inspections prevent further damage and costly repairs. Consult a certified mechanic at the first sign of unusual noise to keep your vehicle road ready.